Hello, Reynaldo. Good morning. Today we're going to be working on your IEP goal number 1 and number 2. For goal number 1, by the end of 27 weeks, given visual, verbal, and model prompts, Reynaldo will write 3 to 4 complete sentences about the main idea. So let's move on to your short story. The Hummingbird and the Crane. Remember, you're allowed to read this 2 to 3 times without looking at the story. And then you will continue to write your 3 to 4 sentences about the main idea of the story. So let's begin. The Hummingbird and the Crane. Once there were 2 birds. Hummingbird was small and quick. She was proud of her speed. Crane was large and slow. Hummingbird often made fun of Crane. One day, Crane said to Hummingbird, "Let's race to the old tree by the river. The first one to the top of the tree wins." Crane knew the tree was very far away. Hummingbird agreed. She was faster than Crane and she knew she could win. The race began. Hummingbird zipped ahead. She teased Crane for being slow. Hummingbird saw a flower garden. "I am so far ahead I can take a break," she thought. Soon she was sipping nectar from the flowers. She forgot all about the race. Crane flew at a slow and steady pace. She soon passed Hummingbird. Hummingbird looked up and saw Crane far ahead. "Oh no," Hummingbird thought as she hurried to catch up. Hummingbird flew with all her might until she was far ahead of Crane. But Hummingbird saw another garden and another, and again forgot the race. This continued all day. While Hummingbird zipped from the garden to garden, Crane flew at a slow and steady pace. At sunset, Hummingbird was very far ahead. She decided to rest in a nearby tree. Crane never stopped. She just kept flying. Hummingbird woke up and hurried to finish the race. When she arrived at the river, Crane was already at the top of the old tree. "How did you win?" Hummingbird asked. Crane replied, "Don't you know? Slow and steady wins the race." So this is your short story for today. You can ask to be read 2 to 3 times if you need more help. And remember to write 3 to 4 sentences about your main idea. So for your second goal, you are going to use capitalization rules. First letter of a sentence, months, days, proper nouns, places, titles, organizations. So remember, everything that begins, every word, the first letter of a sentence, you have to capitalize it. Months, such as January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all the days of the week go capitalized. Proper nouns. And places, like, let's go to Walmart. Walmart goes capitalized. Titles, as in stories, movies, books, or titles as in Dr., Miss, Mrs., or Mr. And organizations. So this will be your worksheet for the capitalization. And you have to find all the errors. So let's get started. Dory and I were all ready for Saturday's Halloween party by Tuesday afternoon. So right here, first sentence. What do we know about the first sentence? What do we see? I spy Tuesday. Tuesday is a day of the week. So Tuesday would go capitalized. So look for all the errors in this story and rewrite your words on the top. You are going to continue to work all by yourself in this. And remember, this is the third worksheet of your IEP goals. Third one, lesson 5.